2008, a startling proclamation was issued by the Vatican. For the first time in its 2,000-year history, the Catholic Church acknowledged the possibility that intelligent life could exist on other planets, and that a belief in extraterrestrials did not contradict belief in God.
Which means, of course, that we are now entering an age in which the universe is beginning to be conceived in different ways from what it was before. And if it is a reality for us, why could it not have been a reality for other beings in the universe who could have visited our Earth and perhaps guided culture in ancient times?
But just what sparked this sudden turnaround in religious thought? Could the Church